Hey guys, I just got my bearded dragon in from Kingdom Reptiles. Um, yeah, so it's gonna be a female citrus hypo tiger, and yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it. So hard to do this with one hand. Just put this down. This was his first ship, and it looks like he packed it up really nicely. Here's this is I got it from Dan from Kingdom Reptiles. Take this out. Yeah, but what he oh that that's really nice. He sent me a poster of genetics. Wow, thanks very much. Put that here. Don't know what this is. Oh, there she is in there. Oh, yeah, I think that's some stickers from him. That's awesome. Thanks very much. Let's just take out everything else here. Just another couple cool things he just chucked in for me, which was very nice. Oh, that's her mother and father. That's her father. Just focus here. He's beautiful. That's Tater. He's a male hypo leatherback. And that's her mother, Tot, who's just a... Oh, Rosewell, sorry. Who's a female normal. Right? So, I'll just get her out. Oh, she's moving around here. Okay, just set that right there. Oh, sorry. Here we go. Oh, wow. She's beautiful. Just get her out here. Don't want to hurt her. Oh, yeah. Hold this up. Sorry. All of that, the shed's almost off. There you go. Oh, wow. She's beautiful. take this off her neck. Thank you again so much, Dan. Her back's in crazy shit right now. She's so pretty. Back's in shit, that skin colors go up, but she's beautiful. Look at her. Oh, well, thank you very much, Dan. I'm going to be putting all your links and everything on this video. He was so helpful, guys. I really recommend him, and thanks very much, and you'll be seeing more of her. Have to get a name for her. Gonna go give her a bath and put her under a basketball right now. Thanks again, Dan. She's beautiful. Couldn't ask for anything more. Thanks very much.